Hi everybody, today we are doing the area model for multiplication. We're going to do 3 digits times 1 digit, 245 times 3. Real quick, if you're interested in having more practice, these worksheets are color-coded and just a really nice way for you to learn how to do it. Click the link below if you'd like to get all of these worksheets, and you'll get a video for every single question. Today we're doing 245 times 3. So we're doing a 3-digit number times a 1-digit number. With the area model, what we're doing is we're taking our big numbers and we're just splitting them up into an expanded form so that it's easier to multiply them. Here's what I mean. If I just had to do 245 times 3, that would be pretty challenging just to do in my head. But if I just think of this in expanded form, it's 200 plus 40 plus 5. So I can do 200 times 3, and then 40 times 3, and then 5 times 3, and then add it all together. And that's what we're doing with our area model. So if you have this worksheet, it's going to help you as you start to learn, because it'll show you where to put the digits, and you can check how many digits you should have. If you don't, though, you can draw your own. So 245 has 3 digits, and there's the 200, the 40, and the 5. So that's why I drew 3 boxes here. So it would look like this. 245, and then the 3 is just 1 digit. So that's why it's just 1 row across, and there's nothing underneath it. The 3 would go there. So I'm gonna put the 245 up top. And then the 3 goes along the side. And these colors can help you while you're getting started, while you're learning, because it's a good way for you to check that you're on the right track. So we got purple, green, blue, 3. And then you do it enough times that you won't need it anymore. All right, so basically what we're gonna do then is we're gonna multiply each of these against the 3. So we'll do 200 times 3, 40 times 3, and 5 times 3, and then we add it all together. So for our first box, purple red, we're doing 200 times 3. And the cool thing about multiplying like big numbers with zeros is that you can actually forget about the zeros and put them back in later. So I'm really going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. And I just realized you couldn't really see this one that I drew down there, so I apologize. But if you're drawing your own, that's what that would look like. Okay, so we're doing 2 times 3, which is 6, and then we're adding in 0, 0, 600. Then we're doing 4 times 3, which is 12, with the 0 is 120. And then 5 times 3 is 15. So what we have done here is we did 200 times 3, 40 times 3, and 5 times 3. All we're doing is taking this number, putting it in expanded form, and multiplying each digit by 3, 1 at a time. Our last step then is to take those 3 numbers, 600, 120, and 15, and then we're just going to add them together. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 245 times 3 is 735.